Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today I have another scent from again Abdul Karim Al Faransi, and that is Juzur Al Qamar. This one. Juzur Al Qamar actually means the island of moon, the islands of moon. Okay. Juzur, I think Juzur means piece. I'm not sure the piece. One of the pieces of moon, maybe it is like that, I'm not sure, but in English it says the island of the moon. Qamar means actually moon, so Juzur is island, Juzur Al Qamar, the island of the moon. Let's find out how these islands actually smell. So I'm going to open it and try to bring it out. Okay, so there are some particles in it that are, it kind of seems like white particles floating inside it. I think I kept it for very long. So let's try to get it out and have some scent of it. It seems like white musk to me, because these particles were found in the musk Sahara and musk Emirati kind of perfume oils. So let's try to sniff it now. So it reminds me of perfume Prada Le Homme for men, that is very soapy, sweet, kind of a bit thick. Okay, coconut soap kind of feeling to it. It's very fresh, refreshing, like you are on an island and you are having a green coconut. Yes, it is sweet. It is kind of metallic, a little bit of metallic in there somewhere. Freshness, sea breeze, not salty, but cool sea breeze with some coconut. Coconut is very prominent over here. It's kind of remind me of 2 or 3 perfumes I have sniffed, which are coconut based perfumes. I can't remember the name, but it is very similar to that. So if you like these kind of perfumes, coconut and blue coconut, if you can imagine it, a blue coconut on a seashore. A bit soapy to me. For me, I didn't like it much, because you already know that I don't like these kind of perfume oils or perfumes. Overall, a nice blend. Maybe just you are getting out of shower or something like that. It just smells like a coconut or shea butter, shampoo I just used 2 hours ago. Very similar. There is one more, I think there is a Dove soap, which is coconut shea butter, something like that, or maybe almond. It is very close to that. So if you like soapy kind of perfumes or scents, or you want to smell like a soap or just came out of the shower kind of smell, this is it. It also reminds me some of the perfumes, very famous perfumes. There's a blue perfume. I didn't like it. It has some vibrating kind of uplifting scent that is very spiky. It is getting into my head, but it is still there. So this is my review about Juzur Al Qamar. Really, it is kind of island of the moon. I'm not sure there are coconuts on the moon, but it is the name of this other oil. I didn't like it much, so I'm going to give it like 5 out of 10 for scent profile. because it is very similar to some of the perfumes I have sniffed or some of the soaps, and I would give it like 6 out of 10 for performance, or maybe more. I think it is going to last more because it has some floral in there which is, you know, getting into my head. Yellow florals, maybe very similar to one of the perfumes, very famous perfumes, and I cannot recall its name right now. Anyhow, so this is the review about Juzur Al Qamar from Abdul Karim Al Faransi. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video, and I hope it will help you, you know, purchase better, or if you like these kind of perfumes, you can purchase it or maybe try some samples. So that is my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, because I think a lot of people are not subscribers. Wish you best of luck for the next video. We will meet and greet with another scent. Till then, take care. Bye bye.